Hello students, welcome to this class. Today we study a zoology topic is known as sex-linked inheritance. In previous class, we discussed the sex determination. In sex determination class, we know that there are two sets of chromosomes. Number one is known as your autosome. Autosome is also known as a set of chromosomes. Whereas number two is known as allosome. Allosome is also known as your sex chromosome and which is designated as XY chromosome. For example, in human body, 46 chromosomes are there. Out of 46, 44 is known as your autosome and 2 is known as X and Y is known as your allosome or sex chromosome. 44 plus 2 is 46. So, these two allosomes are present in different form. XY is designated as the male character. Similarly, XX is designated as female character. And in Z double is recognized as barred female character. Barred female character is designated as Z double and barred male character of barred is designated as ZZ. So all are 2 in number but differentiate into different forms XY, XX, Z double, ZZ chromosome. In sex-linked inheritance, how the sex genes or XY gene is responsible for different kinds of disease. There is mainly 2 types of disease in sex-linked inheritance is the number 1 is known as your color blindness and number 2 is known as hemophilia. In both this case, the number 1 color blindness and hemophilia, the gene is responsible is present in XY chromosome. So in first we discuss color blindness. This is your long answer in exam. In color blindness, first we discuss color blindness. In color blindness, the patient does not recognize the red and green color improperly. And this disease is studied by different cases. First, we will discuss the normal woman. Normal woman is designated as XX chromosome. Number 2, the colorblind woman. Colorblind woman is designated as XC and XC. XC is designated for color blindness. Number 3 is known as carrier woman who carry the gene is designated as XCX. Similarly, number 4, normal man is designated as XY chromosome and hemophilia colorblind man is designated as XCY. Whereas colorblind woman is designated XC. Both are colorblind gene is present in X chromosome for female. Whereas in colorblind man, single X chromosome contains the colorblindness gene. Whereas man is not a carrier. Always women are the carrier of this colorblind gene. So when we cross with A, we will study in three types of cases. Number one, when a colorblind woman marry with a normal man. This is the parent character, how the offsprings are produced. Colorblind woman, that is XC, normal man is known as XY. When we cross with these two different types of gene, XC, this is designated as female character and this is designated as male character. So when we cross with each other, we will get the result XY for male. This is the result XCX, then XCX, then XCY and XCY. Here is the result is designed as 100% result. Out of 100%, XCX is known as 50% carrier daughter are produced. Similarly, 50% colorblind XC chromosome as designated as colorblind male. So colorblind son is produced. So 50% carrier daughter and 50% colorblind son is produced when a colorblind woman marry with a normal man. In second case, when we study a normal woman when marry a colorblind man, the result comes normal woman designated as XX chromosome and colorblind man is XCY chromosome. So when we match with each other, XX and XCY, this is your female character and this horizontal row for male character. When we match with each other, the result comes XCX, then XCX, then XY and XY. This result comes 100%. Out of these, 50% are known as carrier daughter and 50% is known as normal son. So, when a woman is normal, the 50% son is also normal. But a man is colorblind. Out of this, 50% daughter is known as carrier daughter. Then in number 3 cases, when we met a colorblind man with a carrier woman, the result comes carrier woman means XCX and colorblind man is designated XCY. So the result comes XCX and here is XCY. This is designated as female character and this designated as male character. The result comes XCXC, then XCX. Similarly, XCY and XY. Here is the result. Out of 100% result, the 25% each character comes with this result of carrier woman when met with a colorblind man. So, this is known as a colorblind daughter. This is the carrier daughter. And this is known as XCY is known as color blind son, where XY is known as normal son. Here is 25% each result with color blind daughter, carrier daughter, color blind son and normal son. This is the disease of color blindness. Then next disease is known as hemophilia. Number 2 disease is known as hemophilia. In this disease of hemophilia, the anticoagulant of blood is known as heparin is absent in patient's blood. So when normally blood is clot within 2 to 8 minutes, but in hemophilia patient the blood does not clot because of absence of anticoagulant is also known as heparin. So this disease also known as bleeder's disease, and this disease is first determined in Queen Elizabeth, so it is also known as royal disease. In this case, all the hemophilia females are carrier. They are designated as hemophilia carrier XHX, not XHXH. XHXH is hemophilia female which is no more to live. So it is always designated as XHX as a carrier female. In this disease also 3 case studies are there. Number 1, when a normal woman is married a hemophilia man. Hemophilia man. Normal woman means the chromosome is designated as sex chromosome is designated as XX, whereas hemophilia man XHY. When we met with these 2 genes, this XX, XHY, this is your female character and this is your male character. The result comes is XHX, XHX. These both are carrier daughter. Similarly, here result comes XY with XY, normal son. So 50% daughter are known as carrier hemophilia, whereas 50% son are normal in character. When a normal woman married with a hemophilia man. Then in second case, a carrier woman is married with a hemophilia man. The result comes carrier woman. That means the symbol is XHX. Hemophilia man means the result comes XHY. When we met with these 2 XHX, XHY. So this is your female character, this is your male character. So the result comes is XH, XH, then XH, X. Similarly, XY and XY. XHY. So 25% is total hemophilia and the woman or the daughter is cannot live. Whereas XHX 25% is known as carrier daughter. Then here XHY means 25% is known as hemophilia man, where XY is known as normal son, or hemophilia man or hemophilia son. When we cross with a carrier woman with hemophilia man, the result comes 25% each. 25% is total hemophilia woman, 25% carrier daughter, 25% hemophilia son, and 25% normal son. Here is the result. And similarly, in number 3 cases, when a carrier woman is met with a normal man, the normal man means XY. So when we met with each other, here is XH, X and XY. The female character, here is the male character. The result comes XH, X, XX. Similarly, XHY and XY. Here the result is, this is the carrier daughter. XX is your normal daughter. Similarly, XHY is your hemophilia son and XY is normal son. So, when a carrier woman met with a normal man, here total woman is carrier, not total hemophilia. Where women are hemophilia, not a carrier. When a carrier woman met with a normal man, the result comes XH means carrier daughter 25%, normal daughter 25%, normal son is 25% and hemophilia son is 25%. Here is the case study, total case study of your color blindness, and your second disease is hemophilia. This is completed your chapter of sex determination and sex linked inheritance. Thank you.